The essential ingredients for a fruit salad include a variety of fresh fruits. Sweeteners, such as sugar or honey, enhance the flavor profile of the fruit salad. A lemon provides a citrusy zest, while salt and chaat masala add complexity. Combining these ingredients creates a refreshing and flavorful fruit salad. Proper washing of fruits under running water is essential for cleanliness. Running water effectively removes surface dirt and potential contaminants from fruits. Each fruit should be individually washed to ensure thorough cleaning. Washing fruits before consumption helps reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. Different types of fruits may require varying washing techniques for optimal hygiene. Ensure a stable cutting board is used to prevent slipping during apple chopping. Use a sharp knife for clean cuts, reducing the risk of injury. Maintain a firm grip on the apple, keeping fingers away from the blade's path. Cut the apple in half, then into quarters, providing a stable base for further chopping. Slice each quarter into smaller, bite-sized pieces with controlled, downward motions. Keep the knife tip on the cutting board for increased control and safety. Bananas can be uniformly sliced to achieve consistent piece sizes. The texture of a banana changes from firm to soft as it ripens. The color of a banana indicates its ripeness and sweetness. Slicing bananas exposes the fruit's inner texture and color. Consistent slicing ensures even distribution of banana pieces in recipes. Grapes are carefully detached from the stem to prepare them for cleaning. Detached grapes are thoroughly rinsed to remove any impurities. The rinsing process enhances the natural appeal and freshness of the grapes. Cleaned grapes are now ready for consumption or further processing. The initial step involves carefully peeling the orange to expose the fruit segments. After peeling, the orange is segmented by gently separating each section along its natural divisions. During segmentation, any seeds present within the orange segments should be carefully removed. The final result is a collection of clean, seedless orange segments ready for consumption or further use. The initial step involves halving the pomegranate to prepare for seed extraction. Submerging the pomegranate halves in water facilitates the separation of seeds from the membrane. Gentle finger manipulation aids in detaching the remaining seeds from the pomegranate skin. The separated seeds can then be collected, showcasing their vibrant color and juicy appearance. The scene demonstrates the process of chopping a papaya into small, uniform cubes. The initial step involves halving the papaya to expose the inner flesh and seeds. The seeds are then removed from each half of the papaya. The papaya halves are further cut into smaller sections or wedges. Finally, these sections are diced into small, even-sized cubes. A large, empty bowl is prepared to receive chopped fruits. The bowl is positioned as the central container for the fruit preparation process. The bowl's size is suitable for holding a substantial quantity of chopped fruits. The bowl's clean and simple design ensures it will not interfere with the natural colors of the fruits. The bowl is ready to serve as a vessel for a colorful and nutritious fruit salad. Chopped fruits are systematically added to a large bowl. The combination of fruits creates a colorful and visually appealing mix. The process involves integrating diverse fruit elements into a unified whole. The resulting mixture presents a diverse range of textures and flavors. The complete fruit mix is visually harmonious, showcasing a balanced combination. The final fruit combination represents a blend of natural elements. Lemon juice is added to mixed fruits to help preserve their freshness. The acidity of lemon juice inhibits oxidation, slowing down the browning process in fruits. Lemon juice enhances the flavor profile of mixed fruits by adding a tangy zest. The vitamin C in lemon juice acts as a natural antioxidant, further contributing to the preservation of fruit quality. Sweeteners like sugar or honey can be added to fruit mixtures to enhance flavor. The quantity of sweetener added should be adjusted according to personal taste preferences. Different types of sweeteners, such as sugar and honey, offer varying flavor profiles. The addition of sweeteners can balance the natural acidity present in some fruits. Careful measurement ensures the fruit mixture achieves the desired level of sweetness. Salt is an optional ingredient that can be added. Chaat masala can be added for a tangy flavor. The addition of salt and chaat masala enhances the overall taste profile. These spices are added according to personal preference. A pinch of salt and chaat masala can provide a balanced flavor. Gentle mixing ensures a uniform distribution of ingredients. Even distribution of flavors is achieved through thorough mixing. Mixing combines dry and wet components into a homogeneous blend. Proper mixing technique prevents clumping and ensures a smooth consistency. The mixing process integrates diverse elements to create a cohesive final product. Gentle mixing preserves the integrity of delicate ingredients. The finished fruit salad is presented in a clear glass bowl, showcasing its vibrant colors and textures. The arrangement of the fruit pieces enhances the salad's visual appeal, creating an appetizing presentation. A variety of fruits contribute to the salad's diverse nutritional profile and refreshing taste. The bowl's transparent material allows the layers of fruit to be seen, adding to the salad's aesthetic. The salad's fresh and juicy appearance is designed to stimulate appetite and convey health benefits. The finished fruit salad represents a balanced and visually appealing dessert or snack option. Mixed fruit salads are rich in essential vitamins, contributing to overall health and well-being. The high fiber content in mixed fruit salads aids digestion and promotes gut health. Vitamins in mixed fruit salads support immune function and protect against diseases. The combination of vitamins and fiber in mixed fruit salads supports a healthy lifestyle.